Tools and Twisties. Hey, we got another Icon versus Quinn comparison video, this time on ratcheting combination wrenches. We'll talk a little bit about what the advantages and disadvantages of each are. We'll also compare them to some other ratcheting combo wrenches out there. Some upcoming videos. There's a new Icon new Harbor Freight parking lot sale announced. It is January 12th for Inside Track and January 16th. Not a lot of super exciting stuff in here. The one thing that I think is worth covering, and we're going to talk about it in a video coming up soon, is the 30% off all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets. Yeah, some things worth picking up. Not as great as some of the past parking lot sales. They also just announced a 15% off, just basically a 4-day only, 15% off any item. Very few exclusions on this. Good opportunity to pick up something that you may want at Harbor Freight that isn't typically on sale. Something like the big Icon toolboxes. They sometimes do these at 20%. They've started switching to 15% lately, so we'll have to see if they keep it at 15% or move back to 20%. We also have a new giveaway coming for January. I'm going to talk about that in the video a little bit later. You'll have to be subscribed and comment on the video in order to enter the giveaway, and I'll give you the details of that later. And we just finished up our last giveaway for the Texan Picks, and the winner was Yoda Bum TV. And if you look on the channel, the main channel page, he'll need to contact me and give me his information, and we'll get that out to him. So let's get started on the Quinn versus Icon ratcheting wrench sets. The Icon ratcheting wrench set, really nice set. It's normally 165 bucks, 10 bucks more if you want the anti-slip. I just recently bought it on sale at the 40% off sale for 99 bucks. They're very nice, well finished, very smooth, nice handles. I picked these without the anti-slip design because I already have the full Icon combination wrench set with their anti-slip, and it's nice to have some wrenches with and without anti-slip. I work on a lot of higher end cars, and sometimes it's nice to not have to worry about, marking up bolts. And, I'm not typically using an open end wrench anyway for a very stuck fastener. One of the advantages of having a non-ratcheting combination wrench is that you can definitely get more torque on a bolt with something like this and not worry about something breaking versus a ratcheting wrench. Now, they're lifetime warranties, so if you break it, you can just replace it. But the heads tend to be thicker on the ratcheting wrenches. You can't get them in as many places. And a good set of combination wrenches really, kind of is essential. And I think the ratcheting wrench is the ratcheting combination wrenches is sort of the secondary set that you get. Much faster. A lot of people will grab these as their primary wrenches. Most of the time you can loosen the fastener with this, no problem. But it's always nice to have the non-ratcheting one. So let's talk about the Icon versus the Quinn. The Icon is a switchable direction on the front of it, which is nice. The Quinn is not. It's a flip over style. And that's fairly common in the industry too. I've had this style for years. I don't have any problem with them. Sometimes you can get yourself, if you go too far, you can get yourself bound up against something and you have trouble getting it released. So you can't get the ratchet off, or can't get the wrench off. And if you have the switch on it, that can make it a little bit nicer. Also, the ones with switches tend to have an offset head on them, whereas the ones that you have to flip over, by their nature, can't have an offset head because, you can't really flip over something like that on the same bolt. So the Icons are also a longer pattern wrench, sort of an extended length wrench. Just to compare it to the combination wrenches, you can see that the Icon ratcheting one is even longer than the Icon combination wrench, and the Icon combination wrench is longer than the Quinn wrench. So the Quinn is, I don't want to say it's a short wrench, but it definitely is not an extended length wrench. So, you have the switch, you have the lack of extended length. The chrome finish, the quality of these is pretty good. These are 100 tooth, interestingly. Almost every other ratcheting wrench here is a 72 tooth. These are 120, but the 72 tooth is pretty much the standard. And, the 100 tooth, what you listened to a little bit there. 100 tooth is nice. I don't think it makes that big of a difference. The basic difference between the tooth count is you don't have to go as far before you can engage the next tooth it's a very low swing angle before it engages. It'll be slightly longer on something like this before it will engage. But very rarely is that a big issue. It's sometimes nice to have a high tooth count, but you know, the high tooth count tends to have smaller teeth on them, and they honestly tend to not be as strong. So 72 tooth is a pretty good medium. All of these are Taiwanese made wrenches. None of them are made in China. We'll talk about that in a minute, but their ICON and the QUINN are both Taiwanese made. Pretty decent quality. You can see the head design is a little bit different on them. Give you a comparison. So at any rate, the QUINN is, talked about the ICON being $99 on sale, 40% off. I haven't seen as big of a sale on the QUINNs. The QUINNs are $100 normally, and the best deal I've seen on them, maybe put in the comments if you've seen them for more, is 20% off, so $80. And honestly, you know, when you're talking 80 versus 100, I think the ICON is the hands down winner. You know, the QUINNs are decent. I like some QUINN tools. I have some other reviews where I'm comparing QUINN socket sets to ICON socket sets, and I think the QUINN does a great job at a great price point. But on these, you know, on these ratcheting wrenches, if you're really getting these at 40% off, you know, you have to hope for another sale at that price point, and you're getting these for 20% off, and you're talking only a $20 price difference. I think the ICON is the clear winner. Now, the QUINN does come with a larger set. The QUINN goes from 8 to 19, and the ICON goes from 10 to 19. So, you know, the ICON set is missing the 8 and 9 millimeter. You know, a 9 millimeter wrench is almost never used, probably the least frequently used wrench size, and it's pretty small. And, you know, do you really need a ratcheting version? So, you know, it really comes down to having the 8 millimeter ratcheting wrench, which, you know, is nice to have, but not that big of a deal. So, you know, the QUINN does come in a pretty nice little storage case. I usually use different storage for my wrenches for higher density. I either use toolbox widgets, or sometimes I use these Easy Red organizers, or some other organizers that I use. But, you know, the QUINN does come in a pretty decent little case. It's not hard plastic. It's got a little flex to it. I think these little locking bars you just pull off and throw away, but you know, they will allow you to lock it down if it's something that you plan on grabbing and taking with you. The ICON comes in a little plastic molded, you know, comes in a little plastic tray, which I think is, you know, best thrown in the trash, takes up too much room. But this is the ICON packaging. You can see 72 tooth reversible. So how do these compare to some other ones? You know, I have some other wrenches here. I have the Capri tools. This is a really nice set. The Capris are a satin chrome. They also have a switch on them. These are 120 tooth count. Really nice wrenches. High quality. They come in this beautiful cut foam tray. And unlike some of the foam trays where, you know, they'll lay them flat and they take up a ton of room, this is actually pretty good density. It's usually my complaint about cut foam trays is they take up too much room in the toolbox. I'd say if there's one downside to the Capri, it's the price. It's not a cheap set. Thought I did a printout, but I didn't. I believe it's $200. It's a pricey set. You know, Capri lifetime warranty, good stuff. But yeah, you know, I think that it's basically the same price, even a little bit more expensive than the ICON when it's not on sale. And I don't think you see sales on the Capri very often. Certainly not 40% off sales. Now the Capri does come with a little bit of anti-slip on it as well. Not super aggressive. I wouldn't worry about this damaging any bolts. You know, really nicely made. It's a beautiful wrench. And it's a heck of a lot cheaper than a snap-on wrench. You know, I think all of these are going to have great bolt fitment. You're not going to have, you know, there's nothing here that's junk. Everything's going to fit well in the bolts. Everything here has, you know, good warranties on it. And a lot of it is going to come down to ergonomics, how it feels in your hand, the price point of it, and, you know, which manufacturer or vendor you want to be associated with. And again, here's the Capri length compared to the QUINN, longer than the QUINN. shorter than the ICON. These are all 14 millimeters I'm showing here. Another one I want to show real quickly is the Astro razor wrenches. I really like these. These are a top pick for me. They're pretty reasonably priced. They're 80 bucks. And you know, these don't normally go on sale. Sometimes you get little discounts on Amazon. But 80 bucks. Astro's a great company, good warranties. This one does start, you can see it does start at 8 millimeters. So you get the 8 and 9 on this. Again, this is an easy red holder. It doesn't come in that holder. But the thing about the Astros is they're extra thin. That's why they call them the razor wrenches. If you look at the thickness of that compared to, you know, these are both 14 millimeters. If you look at that compared to the Quinn, you can see how much thinner it is. So you can get this thing into some places where, you know, you might not be able to get a bigger head. In terms of the diameter, you know, it's about the same. It's a little, yeah, it's almost exactly the same. So yeah, I think the Astro, good choice. Quality wrenches. I love the finish on them. In terms of length, you know, we're talking about the same exact length as the Quinn. So a shorter wrench, but in this style where you have, you know, a thin head on it, you're trying to get it for extra access, having a little shorter wrench, I don't think is a big downside. You also have to sort of decide for yourself whether the flip style or the switch style is really what you want. Again, the switch style is always going to have an offset, or almost always going to have an offset, and the flip style is always going to be flat because you can't flip it, obviously, if it's not flat. So that's the Astro. I think the Quinns really are maybe a closer comparison to some, you know, this is an older Craftsman set of ratcheting wrenches, again, non-switch, flat. They're similar lengths, they're similar tooth counts, similar qualities, I think, to the ICON. This is a Taiwanese Craftsman set. It's not a USA-made Craftsman set. And then here's the Gearwrench, basically a version of the same. And again, this is a Taiwanese Gearwrench. My issue with both Craftsman and Gearwrench is you never know where they're going to come from. You have to look at the packaging on everything you buy. Like for instance, this is the $72. This is not the exact same set I have here, but very similar. $72. You know, I'd say I'd take the Astro over those for the same price point. I'd take the Quinns over those for the same price point. And the Gearwrench, $61. So you're getting even less expensive. Gearwrench makes good stuff. And if these are, you know, I don't know if these are made in Taiwan or China. If they're made in China, I'd probably give them a miss. If they're made in Taiwan for 61 bucks, maybe that's worth picking up. You know, it's hard to know until you actually buy it and look at the packaging. Amazon does not do a good job of listing country of origin. I don't know that it's Amazon's fault, but, you know, I don't think the companies necessarily give them a lot of information. Let's talk about the giveaway real quick. For the January giveaway, I'm going to do these Knipex twin grips. These are some of my favorite pliers. You know, ICON makes a version of these, but I think, you know, I think these are really nice. They're super nice pliers. They're designed, you know, so you can do like screw extraction with them. They have a slip joint, so they have a pretty good range. You know, the head design on them is really very good for grabbing onto bolts. You know, it's got the little offsets in there, and it does a good job grabbing bolts. Maybe not as good as the plier wrench and not as good as the Cobras, but it's a little bit more of a general purpose plier, a little bit easier to store without the offset head. And, you know, I think everybody should have a Knipex pair of pliers in their toolbox. So I'm trying to do things for giveaways that people might not already have. You know, people with a larger tool collection certainly going to have some Knipex, but, you know, if you don't already have this, maybe worth picking up. They're pretty reasonably priced. Some of the Knipex stuff gets expensive. These are pretty reasonably priced. There'll be links to as many of these things as I can below in the description. I have an Amazon page that I'm doing for each video that sort of shows the tools. Obviously, the ICON and the Quinn directly from Harbor Freight, you know, but the Astro and the Capri are available either from Astro directly or Capri directly or from Amazon. Amazon usually has the best prices and the quickest shipping. Craftsman and Gearwrench also available on Amazon. So that is, you know, the tools and twisties, ICON versus Quinn. I guess I should also mention really quickly some other ratcheting wrenches. Like this is the Craftsman. This is the zero offset double box. These are really nice. And, you know, how does this differ from a combination wrench? Well, you know, one of the things is that I talked about, with the combination wrench, when you have the ratcheting style, sometimes it's not the strongest for breaking a bolt loose, and you really don't want to use an open end for breaking the bolt loose. So maybe you go to, a non-ratcheting ICON wrench like this, or whatever brand you prefer. Use this to break the bolt loose, and then go to a ratcheting version to speed it off. The nice thing about these double box, one side ratcheting, one side not, this happens to be a Gearwrench version. But the exact wrench is also made by ICON, clearly comes out of the same factory, is that you can use the box end to break a bolt free, and on the same tool, flip it over and use the ratcheting. These are also, zero offset, the flip over style for on and off. And they tend to be a little bit longer, even compared to the long ICON combination ratcheting. These are even longer. So, useful tool. So if you're going to add a third set of wrenches to your box, I'd say the first set of wrenches is always going to be the standard combination. Second set, maybe a set of ratcheting combination wrenches, either in the switch style or the flip over style. And then as a third set, maybe a set of stubbies, or maybe a set of these extra long ones. So yeah, that's our ICON versus QUINN ratcheting wrench video for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have either these QUINNs or the ICONs, if there's something that I didn't show that you prefer, let me know. Also, make sure that you do subscribe and give me a comment, and you'll be entered automatically for the Knipex pliers. And that's it. So Happy New Year to everyone. And this is Tools and Twisties, and we are out.